Welcome to your new home at Park Villas. This is the 2-bedroom, 2-bath, solid layout. The first thing you'll see upon entry is the coat closet. I always like to point out that the kitchen is located conveniently very close to the front door. Nobody likes to trek through the house with groceries. Kitchen, I like to point out a few convenience features, that being the garbage disposal, dishwasher, my personal favorite, the ice maker, as well as some safety features. Now, this is a pressure-sensitive stove, but if there's nothing on it, it shouldn't work, as well as a vent on the microwave. Also, all the microwaves I like to point out up high to maximize counter space. Kitchen also has a pretty nice fridge in it. Compliments of our team here at Park Villas. Each apartment also comes with an efficiency washer dryer and a pantry. Now the dining room is a really great size. We have a 4-person table here, but you can definitely fit a 6-person table. Also, the living room, which is decorated very nice, has a gas fireplace, and now that we're heading into better weather, we have our patio out here too. Now also another thing this sliding glass door does is it brings a lot of natural light in. Moving on to basically the guest section of the house, the linen closet, the spare bath, which in this case has a stand-up shower, toilet and sink, and the spare bedroom, which is just about enough room for anybody. It's a big size in here, and as an added bonus, you do get a walk-in closet. Once again, I always like to point out the natural light too. Moving on to the master bedroom, which I'm sure is important to anybody. Once again, a lot of natural light. We actually have 2 big windows in here. This is a queen size bed for reference. You could definitely fit a king size bed in here. This one's actually a little bit bigger than the spare bedroom. This is the master bedroom walk-in closet and the full-size tub and shower in the master bathroom.